going down again. This song is already out, so go check it out. It's good. What if all I wanted was some non-committal? Would you still not let me hit cause we not official? Oh, got a man, well that's not an issue. How was he gonna know if you blow the whistle? Whoa, don't tell on me. I heard you cool with the moves, put them down on me. You ain't new to the school cause you knew what to do. But this dude ain't a fool and I can make you see that I'm the one that you need. These other niggas tripping, I stay tired of the scenes. All the fish are swimming, but I cat in the seas. And I'm just like a vessel fly, you gotta believe. Gotta be me, gotta be seen, and I gotta be free. You said you wanna tie me down, but what's your chance do you think? Unless we couldn't do it, but it's not what it seems. Because I'd rather feel alone and like my man for the sin.
Gave another chance to them all. What if I return the calls now and burn the walls down like Berlin on them to reverse the fallouts? I skirted off, but I can turn the car around. Why should I and how would I? Yes, I could've tried to deny the divide, but it's growing too wide for a slide to the side. Can't lie, I would love going eye for an eye, but I'm learning not to stir the pot with them. Heard the gossip work a lot for them. Tea been getting burning hot, and I would prefer to not be Kermit Frog with them. Colder shoulder turning onto them. Permafrost, my purpose strong within. Circle small, but worth it all to say these words in confidence. What if I
showed up an hour late for work today? They didn't trip, I'm a good worker. Plus we understaffed. They lucky I ain't popping right now, cause once I hit a million streams, I quit. I ain't coming back. They say, don't you want to keep it just in case you fall on your face? Hell no, what the fun in that? I don't care about the money, I just want to rap, and I'ma do it. You got the motive, you lacking the motivation. The show ain't over, you looking for an ovation. The work ain't over, you looking for a vacation. It's about the repetition, you focused on reputation. I had it up to here, now it's up to me to make the cut without the best cutlery. And if I take the L, I add bow grease. Fuck what they think, they don't know me.
What if I
paint you a picture? Kinda funny how the grass look green from the outside, but the roots dry. See the money calling, money fall, but don't mean shit at all. Wait, hold up, drink, pour a gun, loaded. If I can't find peace in these four walls, might cock it right back and blow it. Yup, yeah. No, I got the Midas touch. Friends only come around when that comes in clutch. Never seen all these baddies I was down to fuck until my money grew long and it's dangerous. Yeah, is it really true that the pain in us says a lot of money could buy happiness? Or a lot of money bring around more distrust, that I'd rather be alone than to open up.
What if I put a compromise in my conscious mind? I'm a heavy thinking indigo child. When it goes down, make them wave flash. They gon' have to see me in a new way. Blu-ray or maybe ultraviolet, since my motion private been a few days in the ocean vibing. I control the silence, this my new stage. Plus I just bought an island on the low. Promise your higher ceiling is my flow. Not flow a high society a code. So free that all the masons let me know I've been chosen to hold my composure when faced with opposers and posers with Hillary up in their noses. They hold them too high like they know where they going before meeting. I
told you that I really feel alone or something. Running from my problem like a po-po coming, just a broke boy poor and I don't own nothing. Think the other side greener cause I don't mow nothing. Always a problem in looking past your pastures, what they have. Or you could probably have it after. Realize that ain't what you probably rather have. Or you could say your soul giving up, have your master's eye. I just hope the pain get to stepping. Always living in my sins so I can't get to heaven. Cause life been insane, been the same since 11. Turn my life into a movie if I ain't misdirected. But there go my mama yelling. Probably cause I'm a dropout in the class I'm failing. Maybe she thought I changed from my past rebelling. But what if I told you?
What if I
told you what I really think? What you say here, listen, be really different. Sit here and look me in the eyes, and I'ma really ask you, do you really get it? When I'm pouring on my feelings, my emotionals right up, really hectic, I'm really reckless, but in my mind is a savage. And yeah, I thought I was one of the baddest, then she left me, so then she let me go. Yup, I'm sitting here making new notes and making these quotes when I get off. Giving on me, I'm hot like sauce, but I couldn't do this no more. I really wanna be alone now. I'm sitting here thinking, yeah, my feelings.
What if I
messed around and went to Cabo? I don't need all this bullshit, I'll talk tomorrow. I just been chillin' and trying to get myself comfortable, but I swear there ain't enough fucks left to borrow. I take my time and think it through, think about who I am and what I do. But on everything, some of y'all ideas that give me space, make a motherfucker be faking it tofu. I just be killing to be unconditionally. I ain't biased, and spit goes, no piracy. Live life fast, no rowdy, it takes more than Rarries and burning rubber and 6 feet to tire me. But social media do be tiring, but I'm the captain now, no conspiring. Ain't even had my damn coffee, get the fuck off me like mind the damn business is hiring.
What if I go ghost for like 4 months, get like 4 guns? So if anybody try to come and see me, I'ma pull out the Beretta, I'ma hit them and they sweating. I'm kidding, but I'm dealing with some real shit. People come into my life like a field trip just to see me fall ding, and they gone sing, singing songs, rap, speaking facts, only clap when I'm gone. But I'm still dealing with this life shit. Who cries when I jump off the ship? Cause the job that I had couldn't care if I'm here, and the tears that I feel to the ocean start to drown out the sound of the old shit. So numb when they stab, I ain't feel that. I'm just hoping that one day I get my feel back. I just write these notes to give the hope to those that cope, that there's a the morning, but until then,
go berserk and leave my 9 to 5. Leave my girl and never say goodbye. Go to work but fuck a suit and tie. Treat my life like this is do or die. What if I go where they never really been? Man, they so scared to lose that they never really win. But I win for those that can't lie. So locked in, I don't tantalize. But the sunshine come when the cloud gon' fade. Worry about you, man, I find my way. And I'll find yours too if you let me do it. Yeah, I built up a wall, but I let you through it. Just the way I drew it. Up here, we live in the same fear. The problem I gotta face is doing enough here. That's before I die. And still you don't believe it though, but what if I
told you I was unwell? The Heartbreak Hotel, hella upscale. See how the gram appear, my life is chandeliers. It's hard to catch the tears, looking at thumbnails. The hand selected, cropped the intent corrected. Even making waist anorexic to blur the fact I got no self-worth intact. Take a risk, what happened if you mix perks and crack? Thank God the church is back, my verses slap. Biblical, this the word is rap. I bless these tracks with later news, watch it circle back. But on my marathon, the serpent asked why God still alive when the hurdles on the serpent's path. This TikTok got 100 views, 5 years in hip-hop, trying to search and scrap. I don't know if this your purpose, Jack.
Said I get uncomfortable and function, cause I don't know who mans is also function. And I don't wanna die because she dumped it. And my intention solely on or something. My anxiety is off the leash. Tried to medicate it with the keef. I don't like to talk about my problems. I only do it flowing over beats, living that way so damaging. Drink till my head is hammering. Need therapy for I grab the piece and go click click like cameraman. Meanwhile, loan payments looming, gas prices booming, work due for school and still making music. I'm about to lose it. I'm just supposed to sleep it off. Like what if I
told you for a minute that I lost my mind? Went looking for my soul, I found holes inside. I've been dancing over problems, hunting for some knowledge, breaking down my toxins, overcoming silence. Looking for the city when I'm peeking out my window. Flowers on my mind, so my tulips looking blissful. Building confidence, my opposites legit, no opposite my opinion. All I want is this. It's easy to compare with the visions and the feelings. Everybody's overthinking on appearance and opinions. Makes constant indecision, prominent in clothing. Driving's my addiction, blasting opposition. Reaching for the stars, but I found my own world. Painting pretty pictures, Aphrodite with some curls. I'm standing here strong, trying to find my way home. But what if I
never see it coming or keep falling back on things that's running away from me? Gotta get back on my feet, get my foot in the door just to tease my enemies. Got fired last week, had to save my synergy, now had to save my liberties, now had to save my inner peace. That's why they think I'm self-sabotaging, just trying to break it down. Metabolic, this is spectrum, not black or white. Like I don't need your 2 cents, matter of fact, keep your dollar. Lost faith a couple times, but I find it on the way. Now I don't know how to behave. Coming full force, now get the hell out of my way. Freeze off court, broke the hell out of my state. Yeah. They don't know how to react, now I don't know how to behave.
Not for the comments, but more for the context. I do what I can, I don't leave second options. I'm always on go like I'm raising the mileage. Place out of my view, ain't no reason for stopping. They grass is just greener. Mine filled with knowledge, I'm rough on the edges while others be polished. I know what I got, ain't gon' focus, it's solid. I stick to my mode till it's built in my pocket. From a place where it ain't too sunny. Couple of your jokes just ain't too funny. Place where they only talk money. Where the most richest people walk around bummy. Shit feeling right to me, I gotta see a message from prophecies. You just believe, you know that I keep it clean and stay unique. I be up on my test, the list complete.
I find it hard to see why I must be alive. Why do I see these dreams when I'm awake? I'm terrified. Steady searching for some validation like a TV guy. TBD like I'm stressing. Need blue checks like my life verified. What if I feel like the skeeter man lost us like a Peter Pan? Run fast like the cheetah can. I don't really need to be the man. I've been working how to dream again. So pop like a Nita can. Settle down like Vegeta can. I don't really need a reason in. I'm so immaculate. My back screen like gymnastic kid. A compliment like what if I
did this shit, like really like did this shit? What if my busyness got ridiculous and turned to a whole business? Listen quick, stacking up dividends, like why I get up just to go and slip again? Fuck that, take a trip and dip up a creek, no paddle, no fishermen. But sometimes when the sun shines just right, run by to the sky and I just might get by for a minute. Maybe want to think back to the days where I didn't get fucks right. Fuck that, we can fly a little, FaceTime, waste time, get high a little. I don't really got time for riddles, but to me at the end gotta find the middle. Like
kill myself right now because I believe I'd be reborn again. Then pick the pockets of my past that hang from the tree like an ornament. My body floats, I'm a ghost. Y'all would say that I'm a goat, and I don't understand that shit. Cause I feel like a wolf in sheep's clothes, but y'all don't know, cause y'all carrying the basket. Oh, little Miss Riding Hood, defy the hood, said I'd die for good. Now's a good time to try your luck. Take these bars and pry the book. Take a look inside, oh, I'm the cook. Cause I'm still sizzling, baby. Little bit crazy, I'm off my shit. As awkward as it is sometimes to talk my shit, I'm lost within. My mind been hollering, but what if I
told you I'm a little mixed up, impressionable, talented, a little young. young buck. Can't explain everything that's in my head. Lure me in for the steak, but I stay for the bread. That sweet sugar you've been sampling got me feeling like I'm the man again. Keep your eyes on me, I'm the captain. Faith you've been lacking, bending your back, but I'm up like Brannigan. It don't matter how many waves of people you throw at this problem, I'm solving. Yes, captain, my own shit, but it don't stop there. I do everything, I am the whole cabinet. Going nowhere fast, maybe nowhere at all. Feeling so alone, shit, I just might fall. Come from energy in the morning, think I found a friend.
Told you I need something new, but I'm a little scared to try it. The water looks too murky to dive in. Maybe not head first, but I'll dip a toe in. Get a little feel for the direction that I'm going. I'ma keep it real like the camera when it's rolling. I was down bad at the bottom of the ocean. Now I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Oh shit, my God, think he's onto something. Gotta give it my all or the hard work is all for nothing. Can't slack when you on a budget. You gotta take chances. Don't just make assumptions. Make something out of yourself. Get your ass up off of that shelf. You had a rough start. Now you gotta brush the dust off. Take a look in the mirror and say, what if I
be cool? Let's talk for a minute, man. You gotta stay focused. I know this, and the 45 ain't the only way to approach this. So that you can make it through another night. Wanna see that green grass on the other side. You've been fighting too long, and I get it. Time to give it to the one that sits high and looks low. Don't let the thing go. I promise it ain't worth it. See, I've been in your shoes at the edge of the bed, shaking my head and trying to figure out my own purpose. Just give it to him. I raise my hands, gave a battle to the man, step aside, kept on pushing, cause I know that he provide. I'm alive. Might not come when you want him, but let me tell you something, he on time.
Told you that I loved you, and everything I say is true. You can hold me too. Nah, see, if only you knew that I would've died for you. Just to see you smile, part the seas with the moon out the sky for you. Tears in my eyes, still unclear to see what made your heart beat through. Emotions just mental, getting harder to handle. Each day a fight to make it through. But nah, if only you knew that I had big plans for us. But we playing with people and cherishing objects, so most of the world's love is lust.
What if I
float, then I stop again? Let's just know I'm just hopping in. Have to go with no problems, quote with no columns. No, I'm just confident. Analyze like, whoa, that's so proximate. Got no feet like lactose intolerant. And you said your back broke from problems. I'm broke from copping crop socks and tops and shit. Wanna roll one out like Optimus. And with my competition, I'm just competent. And then you get shown I'm the problem. No, I'm just solving what all my problems is. Wait, no, I'm the problem and I'm just solving what all my problems is. Hey, wait, let's stop with this. I wanna go on with it, but what if I
start with the same shit? They ain't listen, so I start with the language. Quit with the bitch and understand what the game is. Gotta make decisions that could put me in the pavement. Oh Lord, amen. We just set up the liquor, we spray up your block, and we won't miss a spot like a spray tan. We ain't seen nothing Ray Charles, Ray Bans. Real shit like little nigga, hold up. I ain't stressing or never losing composure. And to be honest, I am not sure what they told you. I'm concerned with end goals and totals. Need big bodies and rovers. $1 million goals finna reach at the quota. Short if you not finna eat, why come over? Bitch, try to get a trip. She said, what if I
grind and don't grow and lose my way home and fade away slow? Just give it up, have enough tears in my clothes, holes in my souls, but I keep pacing till I fucking make it. Visions of a superstar, daydreaming at my 9 to 5, nightmares from my childhood scars, turn into jams when I'm on stage live, but my feels more cringe than a pickup line, and I'm singing like a Friday drop on Spotify. Just focus, stay patient and face it. But what if I
told you that better things are coming if you just look up and look ahead and quit all that running from problems that could easily be solved, but you get way too involved when you know life is nothing but improv. Trust me when I say it'll be okay. Yes, still got hella bills to pay. Things just never seem to go my way. Maybe that's why my prime instinct is to hesitate.
What if I asked you to dance? Yeah. What if I started romance? Yeah. What if it started from a glance? Is it too fast? 이런 생각하다 pass out. Now the cat's out the bag. 이제 네 앞에서 아닌 척 못해. 똑바로 보지마, don't want to attack. 또 거짓말해줘, 나 getting again. Yeah, I don't wanna get attached. 널 취취해. 어느새 내 관심은 너의 손 안에 불안해져. 답이 없을 때면 혼자 쉐로 박싱. 절대 못해대면 때가 되면 너가 마치 내게 올 것 같은 기분 착각이 맞지. 찬 것 같아 양팔에 팔찌. Oh God,
please stop. What if I jump? Did something that made them look at me as enough. My home state, they don't even see me as a dub, but I'm putting up numbers that should make them wanna lug. But it's all right now, when the sun goes down, I'll be out my house in the same damn spot that I've been in for a couple years now. When it's mine, cause I built it from the ground. Used to keep blankets on the wall so the sound didn't bounce. When I, at my grandma's house, had a spare bedroom with a couch and an old ass mic duct tape with a whole mixtape. It was whack, but it's all like a scrounge. At the time, I was 9 to 5 in. Then after work, I put the 5 to 9 in. All alone, I was an island. What if I told you that I still felt something? I
never gotta flex, how you do this? Everybody knows I'm next, don't prove it. I be like moving in silence, wondering why they don't see my movements. Too many snakes in the past, like a teammate fake in the past. So hot and so cold like you baked the Alaska. Thinking that you great but you last, bruh. Take another pics with the cash, nah. Pull up in the wig, going faster. Every single room is a master. Just hiding what you really lack, flex. I don't really mean to posture when the speaker lost. Should be defined what it mean to cost you. I don't really mean to boss you, but I got that juice in the sauce that I'm
in my best while I simulate her. Play them games cause I emulate her. Baby, I ain't too toxic, but I'm just too honest. If you think you game, then I show you player. Cause I turn mama on like a power saver. Then I come with them licks like an hour later. Although we don't talk, you still run through my thoughts. So I pray that he bless you and show you favor. That's why I give thanks to the sun like you shining. I know that this blessing in line with his timing. Or skip a beat and I know you rewinding. My love is a seat and I know you reclining. Came from my lips to be mad at you. Cause I feel every choice of your attitude. If my heart is a beat, then I find it in sync every time I give thanks to your gratitude. What if I go ghost? Why? Cause I'm harder than most. Put me on the track, I'ma slaughter the hoe. Know a lot of mad dads cause their daughter's a hoe. Why? You can't even ask me. She a little freak tryna do it in the backseat. And I think her name's Ashley. And I'm running to the money like a motherfucking athlete. What if I sing a lullaby just to hit him where it hurts so I can shut his eyes? What if I call 100 guys to come and run up in your house, you get mummified? Hold up, slow down. You mean to tell me that little bitch you really like that? Hold up, slow down. I'm finna go and spit a check and get it right back.
What if I took her on a trip out to the deep west? Cali weed, palm trees, it's a deep flex. X-Man wanna call her, he just seem vexed. Beat it till I leave her up and stitches, she don't seem stressed. What if you peep the labels on how they concast? Pop Perch really got none of them in your contract. Hopping on trends fair with her friends, you better off being solo but keeping your circles compact. What if I ain't had no rhymes? No Cali trip, I ain't bag no dimes. Or they never pull cans for beat but use their hand to speak like a pantomime. I asked what if and imagine kinda dope. Steady AZ trying to find a format to the flow. And I know I got a lot to go, but wait, say the what is for the Marvel show. Please.
Go off the motherfucking grid. Spend my whole life trying to motherfucking live. Man, they always say that the grass ain't greener on the other side. I don't know, but I'm on the fence. I'm supposed to bring change if I ain't got a sense. Ain't about talent, cause they ain't got a 10. What I bring to the game, man, these motherfuckers lame. Everything's on the same, man. Motherfucker bitch, look down at my wrist watch. Ayy, I ain't got time for bullshit. I been stressed out, a nigga 2 tenths. Who won't smoke? Giving niggas a full clip. Y'all say y'all nice, but a nigga prove it.
I don't even wanna write a verse. I just wanna fucking cast a curse. Got a bottle in a purse, going all full throttle in reverse. Trying to fuck a model in a hearse, got a problem what it's worth. Treading heavy water, struggle just to keep my head afloat. I travel through Viridian, I'm poison, need an antidote. Got the hot Tremanda flow, dragon air, hyper beam. Dragon ball, my master balls right across her mighty beam. I should've stuck to comedy. It's what I'm fucking good at. Look at this hood rat sitting in the front row, heckling my openers, got me going uh-oh. But you know what though? It's right where I'm supposed to be. Got the front row girl sitting right in front of me, kneeling like my grandma praying to a rosary.
I caught a bug, this shit is a drug. This feel like definitive limit to love. And pain never felt quite as fickle as now. Life is a circle, it is what it was. And it is because shit no one can know. All we can do is see as it grows and watch it evolve. The next stop is Mars, approaches of stars created by God. Breaking our guards, the ceilings are torn. Death is a myth, there's nothing to mourn. Transitions are needed, you gotta transform. There was a clock that ticks on this form. Whether it's heaven or if you reborn, gotta use now before it is gone. Before it's your time and stars go align and use what you're playing and
what if I chose to put my phone on, do not disturb and deal with everything tomorrow? And what if I faced my reality, focused all my energy on healing my trauma? Or what if I didn't choose at all, said F it cause I got just way too many problems to solve them? The choice is mine, but I can't decide, I'm just too tired. What if I
told you that I really feel alone? Other side greener, I can't even see no more than